Hey everybody! Wave! No, he's going. He's adamant he's leaving. He's taking the keys and everything. Hey everybody, it's Pauly, Steph and Sully here, and welcome to ZoneAwesome. Today it's our last full day at Center Parcs, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm set up the GoPro to go on my bike, and also I'm going to take you around the swimming pool today because I saw everyone else doing it yesterday, so should be fine. I shouldn't be kicked out. And we're going to just have a little bit of fun, aren't we, today? Yeah. We've got loads of stuff planned, so we're going to take you through that. So let's go to the swimming pool then.
Swimming.
Just showed back up the swimming pool. My hair's all gone funny. Oh, I forgot to bring my gel. Damn it.
Oh no.
So I'm gonna come out with all
look
flat
like,
hair.
you know, Jim Carrey and Dumber and Dumber.
Yeah, that's a problem with my hair. It's all cut in a certain way, so I look stupid if it's not put up. Yeah. Ah, you say this is our last day now.
Yeah, I like killed to stay here another week.
Yeah. Unfortunately, you'd have to kill and just rob people for that amount of money. It's a lot of money to stay here.
Sit and sweep.
Come try and find Sully some toys.
Hello, Sullivan. How are you? Hello. You're going to eat all your greens. You're going to eat all your greens.
I'm so sorry, Sully. You never have your name on any of these.
Oh, Gruffalo.
Oh, tiny Gruffalo.
Oh, they got Stickman.
Oh, yes they have. What is it? I might buy that for him. I quite enjoyed watching the cartoon of Stickman. I think I'm going to buy it for Sully to read to him. I might read it to him tonight. By the looks of it, I'm reading to him tonight while he cuddles his cuddly Elmo. So just come back to the villa. I thought I'd give you guys a little tour of what's around here. So obviously that's my villa. and tomorrow we've got to leave around 10ish. We could stay after, but we've got to make sure everything's out of here for 10, and we'll have to stay for a little bit longer, which we'll probably do. Pretty much it, just the pond out there, but it's really nice.
It's fun when you've got like, when Sonny's older and he's got some brothers and sisters. It'll be a lot more fun because you go around and like build dens and stuff. That's something my brother used to do.
Yeah, I didn't really have much of that when I was a kid, unfortunately. It was me just going around doing it myself. I knew a lot of other dads and stuff who used to do that, but I never really had that, so I wouldn't mind doing that all with Sully, because I'm really a big kid at heart. And I know that there's a fine line between being a friend and being a parent, but I still want to be able to have a real good time with them and have a laugh and stuff and have a good make them sure they have a good childhood. I'm so tired after that. It's one of those holidays where you do so much, and after you've had that holiday, you need another holiday to relax. I think it's one of those, isn't it?
Yep. And unfortunately, our next holiday to relax will be Thailand.
Yeah, so we're going on our honeymoon to Thailand, but Sully won't be with us, which is sad because I would love him to come along, but you know, we've never had, well, it's our honeymoon and we never had our own holiday or anything, have we? It's crazy how much this YouTube channel's changed, because my original plan for it is totally changed, and I'm so much more happier with the way it's turned out than the original idea for the channel. All I literally did was put a little bread out there and they all came running. A squirrel. We're gonna see an epic fight between squirrels and ducks now.
This is mine. Later. It's a duck.
She's really bright, sensitive, caring.
It's good, isn't it? Like all the nature and stuff. And then there's a Bigfoot.
Bigfoot with no hair. There's a balding Bigfoot.
Hey, what's he doing? he's waving at me. It's big. Yeah, he waved at me. I have a feeling he's bird watching or something, or yeah, taking pictures of birds or something.
You just put a cracker down the back of your top.
Bloody. Look at this. Why you put crackers down your top? Someone's now got some mango. You like your mango, don't you? Mango's my favourite fruit. What's your favourite fruit? I think it's your favourite fruit too, isn't it? And I don't know what that guy's favourite fruit is. What's your favourite fruit? The last full night here.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We'll have to come again at some point. As we talked before, we'll probably start doing it a yearly thing, coming here once a year at least, as a family trip away. You know, in England there's so many places to go, and here is definitely a great one. So, best thing about being English is the pick and mix that you can get. Are you one of those kids that used to take the pick and mix and not pay?
What, from Woolworths? Yeah.
Yeah, like start taking. Yeah, that's why Woolworths went bankrupt, because when yeah, Steph wants me to drink alcohol because I'm not drank alcohol in ages. She's trying to make me an alcoholic, aren't you? Mate, if they have decent cocktails, then maybe. So we come to a place called Parcs American Bar and Grill, so it's an American sort of restaurant here. What sort of stuff do you want, Steph?
I ain't got a
Rub, 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 rub. Rub, rub, rub your tummy, cause you're so hungry like me. Enjoying your food there, baby?
Yeah.
Just demolished my chili fries there. They were incredible. Now they eat my wings. Oh man, I just had 10 chicken wings and a big bowl of fries. I'm full. How about you?
I'm good, yeah.
Right, let's get back home then. Yeah, we have to be up early, don't we, to go home, unfortunately. I've just done something silly. I rubbed my eyeball after eating hot wings. Ah, it's like the Tabasco eye drops all over again. Ah. So I'm in my pajamas. Steph is in hers, if you can see her. And this is our last night here at Center Parcs. It's sad, isn't it?
I don't want to go home.
It's been great here. It's been lots of fun. It's just good to kind of get away with Sully and Steph and just get away from it all, really. It's lots of fun. I think Sully really enjoyed it. I have a feeling he's very...
Swimming.
He has enjoyed swimming indeed. He's very pooped though. I think he's very tired. Yeah, we've done a lot, even though you may think we did, and I feel we did quite a bit at the time here. Lots of swimming, I've really enjoyed it. So on ZoneAwesome there's going to be so much happening in the future. So we're getting married.
And that should...
Get a house.
I'm going to say we're going to have this camera with us because we're going to film after we're married.
Yeah, and we're going
leading up to it.
On a honeymoon. I've got 3 trips away this year as well, on my own for WheresMyChallenge. Well, with the guys anyway. We've got a honeymoon. And then hopefully in summer we can go away somewhere else as a little family break as well. But it depends how busy I am, because lots happening in August as well, unfortunately.
Busy, busy, busy.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the vibe, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep being awesome.